Hi all, welcome to my challenge Java Soul. Today we will see how to find a triplet pair in array equal to the given element using two-pointer algorithms. Before we start this video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. I have already created multiple programming questions video. We'll provide the link in the description. You can go and watch from there. Let's start. So what exactly is two-pointer algorithms? The idea of this technique is to begin with two corner of the given array. Okay, like two corner means the from starting and the end. Okay. And we'll use two index variables left and right, okay, to traverse from both the corners. Okay, instead of traversing from the one corner from left to right, now it will we using this algorithms can traverse from both the corners, from left and from right. Okay, the both variables left and right will hold only the index number, not the actual value, okay, of that particular index. So we have to find a triplet pair from this array. As you can see, I have mentioned the output should be looks like this: 3, 6, 12. 3, 6, 12 means the sum of these three elements should be equal to the given target. Okay, the target which I'm taking here is 21. So as you can see, the 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, and another the pair is 12, 5 and 4. I'm sorry. So first step, we need to sort an array. Okay, these are the steps that I have mentioned here. Okay, but we have to change these steps as per the two pointer algorithms. What we need to do, first we need to sort an array, then initialize two variables left and right which will hold the index number, not the value. Okay, this is n minus 1. N will be a length of an array. Okay, and this is a 0. 0 means the first index. Sorry. So and then run a while loop until left less than right. Okay, this variable value until less than the right variable value. Okay, then we need to compute the sum. We'll do a sum array. We'll get the value of left index and the right index from array, like an array of left plus array of right. If the sum equals to the target, means that we have found the pair. Okay, otherwise we need to check if sum is less than the target, then move the left pointer to the right. Okay, we'll move like the left pointer is this left variable is holding a 0 index number, then we'll increase it by 1, so will be a 1 then. Okay, to the right, and to increase the sum. And if sum is greater than the target, okay, then move the right pointer to the left to decrease the sum. So we will decrease a right pointer by 1 in this case. Okay, if sum is greater than the target. Let's see it. Because we this is all for to find a pair of two element. Okay, so we actually we need to find a pair of triplet, means three elements. Okay, we'll just tweak this logic. Okay, let's create a program. We'll return a list of type uh, array, private static, because we have to call it inside main method which is already static. Find triplet pair, and the argument for this will be an integer type of array, and the integer variable which will hold the target value. Now we need to create a list because we need to find all possible solutions. So somewhere we need to store each pair. So integer type array. I'm creating a list which will hold integer type array. First of all, we need to have one for each for loop, integer I equals to 0, and the value of I should be less than array dot length minus 2. We'll tell you why we are taking length minus 2. Left, integer left with initialize with I plus 1. Okay, it means we are assigning the index value, sorry, index number, and right will hold array dot length minus 1. Okay, now we'll use while loop and we'll execute until left less than right. Now we'll take one variable sum and we'll assign the value of 3 elements. First one is array of I, means the first element value. Okay, the array for loop is starting from 0. Okay, so it will we will get value of 0th index by using array of I here. Once it's increased, then we'll returns, basically we can see the current index value. So now array of left, then array of right. Now we'll check if sum equals to target, then we'll add all 3 values to a list. Pairs dot add new int array of I, array of left, array of right. And then we'll increase left and decrease right. If sum is less than target, then we'll increase left, else will decrease right. That's it. We'll returns list. Okay, let's call this function from here, from main method. We'll pass array and a target value. So it will returns a list of type int array triplet pair. Now we will check if triplet pair is empty, means there is no pair exists. Pair does not exist, else we'll iterate this list, pair and triplet pair, and we'll print triplet pair pair of 0, pair of 1 and pair of 2. Let's execute. We forgot to add arrays.sort also. Let's add this arrays.sort pass array. Now run this program. As you can see here, we are getting a 2 pair 3 6 12 4 5 12 as I earlier mentioned. 3 6 12 and 4 5 12. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.